What a lot of Squarespace users don't know is we have the option to change the burger nav icon on Squarespace with a couple of different options. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can do it. Over at Squarespace, what I mean this burger nav right here. And when I click it, the navigation comes up and it's mostly seen on the mobile versions of your website. But what we actually have the possibility to do is to change this icon to a couple of different options. So in order to do that, what we want to do is click on Edit, and then Edit Site Header, and then just simply click on the menu. Click on this, and you can see here that we have these different options of the menu icon. And when I click them, you can see that some different comes. I really like this one. And you can also see here that we can change the thickness of it by these default settings, but also by adding the pixels to it. So that was just a very quick video on how you can change the burger nav icon for your Squarespace website. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.